Welcome to Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side with confidence. Today is April 17th, 2018, and we are here to talk about the markets. So the market has been recovering pretty decently. If you recall, we're talking about this level acting as support, and we were watching this for quite some time now, saying that if the market should drop below this level, this yellow bar right here, let me zoom in just a little bit more, saying that if the market should drop below that, then there's more downside pain to come. And however, if the market should go higher, then we know that the market is trying to recover. But to make sure that we could clear and say we have a clean bill of health for the upside, one of the things we did was we had this line right here and said if the market can indeed close above this level right here, we have a market that is ready to actually start going higher. And so everything in between, what we were saying is be aware, because what we might have is a stock or market that is bouncing up and down inside this channel. Well, the good news is that yesterday it broke out of it, and now it is no surprise that the market is now beginning to go higher. So we can look at this now and say, indeed, the market is now getting ready to go higher and has indeed put in a bottom for now. One of the other indexes that we can take a look at to actually just confirm all this is the Dow. And one of the things that we were looking at also on the Dow is the fact that since we had this bearish market since January, this trend line, you could connect this trend line right here. We could see right here where the market actually started going down, and we connected to the peak that it had prior to that, and the market came down, and then it attempted a rally again, only to come back down again. And so that right there established a bearish trend line, or a bearish resistance trend line. And the idea behind technical analysis and chart read it is that when a level of resistance has been broken, chances are that the market is trying to go higher. And so if we extend this to the right, what we will see is that the market came down to that area. And let me zoom in just a little bit, and I'll take this off for a second. Let's just take this one off. That's all we need. Okay. So what you will see here is about 2 days ago, which was actually on Friday, the market attempted to close above that resistance level only to come back beneath that. And then the question begged for, is this resistance level going to hold and push the market further down, or is the market indeed ready to go higher? Well, nobody really knew the answer to that. At least I didn't know the answer to that until the next day. And that was yesterday, which is Monday. Once we had this is where I realized, okay, now the market is indeed getting ready to go higher. And so at some of the meetings that I was attending yesterday, I told people, I said, look, the market is at the bottom. Now is time to find some buying opportunities. Now is the time to look for buying opportunities. These are the places that we will see in the future and say, wow, the market actually bounced off of that. And so to see the market going higher today is no shock. The only thing that we can expect going forward is for the market to either continue going up, or even if it was to come back down, it's not uncommon for the market to come back down and retest this level, which is it'll probably come back down, retest the level somewhere down here, which is this old resistance, which now becomes new support before the market indeed goes higher. Sometimes it just takes off from now. So the good news is the fact that we have now broken that resistance trend line that started in January, and now it looks like this market has free range to start going higher. Are we going to go straight up? That I don't know. Could we have some pullback? It is definitely possible. But if we do have a pullback, what we anticipated is that the pullback will come to this level and then bounce back up. So for that reason, it is time to start seeing and looking for other trades that are at the bottom, getting ready to go up with the market so that we can follow the trend and be profitable. And as always, remember to stay on the right side with confidence.